So guys, remember last time that I recorded a headphone unboxing video, which is like 2 years ago I think? Let's have a look.
You see, today's video is going to be 2-in-1 video. So in the first section, we are just going to do some unboxing again. Yes, I bought a new headphone, a gaming headphone with Bluetooth. Yes, I'm not sure why there's like some sound inside there. We got some connection port button, and this is actually very good. I'll get more details in another video.
So here we go. That's the headphone from 2 years ago. Right now you can see that it's a wireless earphone. Yeah, wireless. Here we go. That's the wireless earphone, but this is broken. So I got this headphone, which you can see that, right? This is the headphone that I'm going to use for like the past 2 years. And guess what? This is broken because I only can hear one side of the audio. So yeah, that's it. So then, today, guess what I did? I bought a new headphone, a gaming one. And it only cost me about under 100 ringgit, which is crazy, right? So, this new headphone right here, I just did a cool spin right here. Looks like this. I chose a red version. I actually want to choose a blue one, but then I thought to myself, well, red is fine. I like both of them. So, let's unbox this. So now guys, it comes to my head, you can see the headphone. So here we go. So the headphone down there, right, is a 50, so it's a 5cm directional drivers for audio precision, noise cancellation microphone, adjustable slider, multiple platform compatibility. Okay, let's actually look at the back. So the back, there are multiple different languages. So I'm just going to put this on the screen right now so you guys can see all of them, because I have to read it, seriously. And we also can see that on the side here, and they also have some labels. Let's actually unbox this. So, unboxing is start from here. So in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we go. So wrap it in a plastic bag like this. So there we go. That's the headphone. And inside there's also a bit of instruction books right here. Instruction books. Here we go. That's the headphone right there. And we're going to look at it in close person right here. So here we go. Okay, so that's the headphone, and then not only we got a headphone, but we also got a speaker right here. Look at the speaker. Look at that. That is amazing. And then we got this wire thing right here. Goes all the way down. Oh, let's actually turn the speaker back up here. And we can see that this can be extendable. So we got this wire tube here. I'm not sure what is this thing here. Seems like it's a controller thing. Can kind of control it here. And it comes out into 3 different plugs, which is kind of weird. I have never seen this headphone before.
The left one USB one is for making your headphone have colors, and the right one is for hearing. And the next picture is that the middle one is the scroller, just to adjust the volume and the sound. The one besides the mic is the on-off switch.
And now is the time to actually wear it. So let's wear this. I think this is the left side, right? So 3, 2, 1, and wow. Okay, let's actually adjust the head size a bit. Don't crush my head, and I think that is pretty good. How do you guys think? This looks amazing. Here we go. This is how I'm going to do Minecraft streaming. Let's actually put this on to my MacBook, and let's actually have a try on the audio, and I will tell you guys how I feel the audio is and some other stuff.
Okay, I can actually adjust it using this thing, and it does work. I would actually say that the audio is okay, I would say, but it's still good.
Oh, I tried on with the USB and the mic. It turns on. Wait, let's actually close everything. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is the light effect. Let's say if we unplug this USB. Oh, that's why.
So now that we have the headphone explained, now the main character is finished. Let's move on to all the other stuff that we have. That's the second thing that I bought, which is a camera stand. And this is actually for phone. And if you guys don't know me, right, currently I'm not using a normal stand to actually record this video. I'm using a music stand. Just take this off, and here we go. That is the music stand that I'm recording So let's actually take off this thing. So, oh, okay, it comes up with a package like those. And there's even some stuff behind there, so let's actually take it off. Oh, okay. We got this is a phone stand for like, you know, to put the phones. And then there's also a bit of USB stuff in here, which is a bit weird. Okay, so let's actually unplug this. So when we unplug, we can actually get this thing out. The only concern that I have right now is that this does not fit. So then, let's actually unplug this thing. Here we go. Here we go. We can see the head. And then this is the back. We're just getting this out. And here we go. Oh, it's already extended. It already extended. Okay. And now we're going to actually unplug this. And this should be for our stand. So this thing actually standing up here. I'm not sure what is this for. This is kind of weird here. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I think I broke it. I think I already broke it. Alright guys, now I'm actually using my iPad to record this. So here we go. That's the stand. It goes all the way up. And that's my phone over there. Going to record stuff. Okay, so the first thing I will say that is that this thing is not really stable. And it's you can actually easily turn this. Okay, so the first thing you can do that, you can pretty much turn this around. So, oh! Guys, now we have the stand back up again. So you can see that it's totally working fine. I can twist this around. I can even just twist this like that. And then this works. And then I can just do this. I can twist this again. Just to make it stable. And I can turn this thing up. And oh, this thing is going down. Oh no. Oh no. This thing is going down. Now then, we are going to unbox the final system. This thing, the pocket charger, and also a USB. And oh, okay, there's another layer in here that we have to pull it out. And wow, look at that. That is amazing. This entire thing right here. And then we got the plugs. 6 USB and 3 plugs. Oh my goodness. Obviously we can't do this. Then this will cause some pretty dangerous problem. So then let's actually stop this, open this, boom, done. Fantastic. So then the last thing that we're going to unbox is the USB thing. Let's hope that this USB has 64 GB. It looks like this. And now let's actually plug this in. Okay, so now this is actually plug it in. And we can actually see that this is 61.85 GB, so it's 3 GB missing. So yeah guys, that's a really weird angle, but thanks so much for watching today's unboxing video. So if you do enjoy it, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, that would be really awesome. And also hit a like for this thing right here. Okay, let's end it. Let's end it. This is serious.